life of innocent people, including our great Chinese friends, condolences to the government of China and the people of China, and convey our sincere sympathies to bereaved families. I want to assure you, on my behalf and on behalf of the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, that we will hunt down these perpetrators, culprits, killers, and will not rest until we have caught them and given them exemplary punishment. I have not charged the affair that we will take now additional measures to cover and protect the lives of our Chinese friends wherever they are in Pakistan. And tomorrow our Interior Minister is flying to Karachi to assist our government assent and provide them any help from the federal government and investigate the case. Whatever is required from the federal government, it will be at the disposal of our brothers in the province of Sindh, the Chief Minister and his government. And on the other hand, we are going to review the entire security position and take all measures, all possible measures to augment and strengthen security of our Chinese friends in Pakistan, because they are not Chinese. To me, they are Pakistanis, and there's no difference at all. Bilateral relations, I think, our two countries, it is, our friendship is proverbial, it is unmatched, it is stronger than ever before. It is extremely, extremely warm, and we will not allow any kind of disturbance in this friendship, come what may. We will cut their hands and will stop them from creating any difference between us. This will not happen, this shall not happen, and this will not happen.